Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuums. In the red corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, and in the blue corner, we have the robot vacuum. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. Both the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop and the robot vacuum are priced at $699, so it's a tie in this category. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop boasts incredible suction and sonic mopping. It picks up dry debris and mops hard floors simultaneously, ensuring a thorough clean. It also features Matrix Clean, which uses a precision matrix grid to deliver 30% better carpet cleaning compared to the robot vacuum. On the other hand, the robot vacuum offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming function. It can quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. With its 1,400 pascals suction power and wet mop function, it's suitable for all hard floors. However, it doesn't have the advanced carpet cleaning capabilities of the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. So in terms of cleaning performance, the Shark takes the lead. Now let's talk about smart features. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop comes with 360 degrees lidar vision, which quickly and accurately maps your home. This allows the robot to methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path. It also has recharge and resume, so it automatically recharges and continues cleaning where it left off. Additionally, it offers precision home mapping and edge cleaning with Clean Edge Detect. On the other hand, the robot vacuum has a smart app and voice control compatibility with Tuya Smart App, Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can easily create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction. It also features intelligent obstacle avoidance and a slim design to reach every corner of your house. Both vacuums have impressive smart features, but the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop's mapping capabilities give it the edge. Moving on to battery life, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. With its 2,500 mAh battery capacity, the robot vacuum can continuously work for 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house. Both vacuums offer self-charging capabilities, so they will automatically return to their charging bases when low on battery or finished cleaning. It's a tie in this category as both provide sufficient battery life. For pet owners out there, both vacuums are designed to handle pet hair and messes. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop features a self-cleaning brush roll that picks up more hair and is anti-hair wrap. It's perfect for homes with pets. The robot vacuum, on the other hand, has an advantaged brushless suction port, so you won't have to worry about hair entanglement. Both vacuums excel in this category, making it a tie. After comparing the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop and the robot vacuum, it's clear that both offer impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop takes the lead in cleaning performance and smart features, while the robot vacuum offers great value for its 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming function. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smarter purchases. See you next time.